Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 2500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.4 liter heavy-duty V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the brilliant black and it looks very nice. Has the grill right up there with the Ram logo right there, and you got some tow hooks over here. As well, you got the halogen quad headlamps right here and your fog lights just underneath. Coming around the side here, we do have 18-inch rims with Firestone tires, and they look great. Still tons of tread left on them as well. Around the side here, you do have the heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals, and they are the tow mirrors, so you can see all the way back. Now, coming around to the back here, we do have a 6-foot box, and it does have your backup camera right there, as well as the Ram logo and the 4x4 logo. And opening her up, there's a bit of snow back here, but it is painted the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and it looks awesome. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses for the remote start. Remote start is super nice, especially in the winter. Gets it nice and toasty and warm for you, and it'll get you going a little bit quicker. Let's unlock and jump on in. So we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, plus this one does bring in your mirrors. Got a bit of that chrome accenting. A handle here, some storage here, and some more down here with a cup holder. As well, you got your electric seats here, so back and forward, as well as your lumbar support right there. And then you do have control over your lights, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, your fog lights, and your low beams as well. You do have your in-cabin light control there. And this guy is the control of your windshield wipers, your turning signal, and your high beam. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. The little guy down the side there does say that we need to fill up a tire, and then we do have low fuel, but we'll fix that. We also have our fuel economy here. We can change the guy in the middle, our trip A and B. Then we also have our trailer tow options, our audio, we have our stored messages, screen setup, and then we're back to our speedometer. It also says the temperature outside and the direction we're facing. In the center here, you do have your controls over those, so you also have voice recognition, your call out button for your phone. You have your horn in the middle and your cruise control options, and this guy is the gear shift, and when you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera. As well, you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display with AM, FM, and Sirius XM, and you do also have your media tab here with your USB, your aux cord, and your Bluetooth. You have your controls here over your heated seat and your heated steering wheel, as well as your passenger. Then you can also look at your backup camera, your cargo storage, which just lets you look at the back here to see if anything's fallen out. Then you also got your apps here. You can access all that. You got your climate control. You can do all that, dual climate and whatnot. Then you also have, you can turn the screen off if it's too bright, and your phone option if you do have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here you do have your volume up and down, plus the mute, the screen off, the hazard lights, as well as your back button, and then your browser. This guy is the power up and down, the off, the auto. And then you also have your AC, your circulation, your heat, up and down for the dual climate, your front and rear defrost. Then you got your trailer tow options here. And then you got your tow and haul mode, you have your traction control, your park assist, your front and your rear right there. As well, you have your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, and the heated seats for the passenger. In the center here, you do have your armrests. Open that guy up. You got your owner's manual right there. And then you also have your USB plug-in, your aux cord, and a 12-volt. Plus, you do have the coin holders. And you can lift this guy up. And there is some more space underneath here for another person. There's also another handle, you can lift that up, and there's even more storage down there. It'll be kind of out of the way, nice and hidden for you. You can also open this guy up, and this guy, and you got lots of room for those. Dual glove boxes, always nice to have. Plus up top here you do have this guy, which opens up the back window here, just like this. And then you also have your universal garage door opener right there. Okay, let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, we do have their handle here with that bit of chrome accenting. You got your control over your windows. You have the Ram logo with a handle. You got some storage here and some more down here. And a lot of room back here as well. You can pull this guy down if you don't need all 6 people. And you got some cup holders here and an armrest. Plus you do have some more cup holders right down there. You can also lift these guys up, and you got some storage under here. On the other side underneath is a subwoofer, so you can blast some music. You can also fold these down just like this and like that, and then they will lay flat. There's an identical one on the other side. It'll lay flat, and you can put something on top of it, and it'll be nice and sturdy. Underneath the floor mats, you also got a little bit of additional storage right there, and you can put something in there. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 2500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.